Hey guys, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can do more DIY. Hey guys, what's up? It's Melanie. Today we're going to do a flip on this mid-century piece. I have something in mind inspired by, I don't know, good vibes. You guys know what that is, right? I think you do. Let's get moving. First thing we got to do is clean this lady up. Just a couple ounces of greenies cleaner made by Wise Owl mixed in a bucket of warm water, a little scrubby brush here, and we can get this girl all ready to be painted. Oh, you dirty girl. Okay, so we are learning from our mistakes. If you've watched a couple of my videos back, you remember that I had a finish like this that was just kind of pulling off. You could do it with your thumbnail, like push it, and that is a bad news for painting and especially using tape. So we're gonna take the time and we're just gonna do it. We're gonna sand this baby down. I started off with 220 sandpaper, and you know what? That's just gonna take too darn long. So let's go ahead and switch to 100 grit and get this baby done. I have to admit, sanding is not my favorite thing to do. It's actually my least favorite thing to do, with the exception of cleaning. Cleaning is going to be my number one worst, sanding right after. This piece had this like faux vent looking thing on the front of it. It served no purpose other than to use it as a handle to open the drawers with. I decided for the look I'm going for, we do not need that. It was pretty easy to pop off. I'm going to do some serious sanding on this drawer to get it off, to make it so that you can't see where the previous faux vent was. And then we'll keep going. Inspiration for this piece came across me while I was getting my hair done. My hairdresser is actually one of my really good friends, and we were just talking about this mid-century piece and what I should do to it. And all of a sudden, good vibes popped into my head. I said, "What about some lines with the whole rainbow thing?" And she was like, "Yeah." So we looked it up, and sure enough, there was pictures of it. Exactly, almost exactly what I had in my mind. So I measured and found the middle. Then I measured 2 inches on either side of the middle to start my 4-inch thick lines. We're just gonna go down like that, and then we're gonna spread that out at the ends. Took my time and did some measuring to make sure that my lines are the same distance apart, up and down. Let's get started. The first color we're going to use is Petal Pusher. Didn't have to mix any color for the top one, Petal Pusher. It was perfect. I used Carnival Red, Petticoat Pink, and a little bit of Hay Sailor to make this color. Using the same paint I had already mixed, I just added a little bit more Hay Sailor in there to make this darker purple. For this color, I mixed Carnival Red and Firestarter.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
For this bottom color, we got lucky. We're gonna go straight in with Firestarter. I have to admit, I was pretty nervous when I was pulling this tape. There was no way to make sure it didn't bleed other than just relying on that tape. Fortunately, the lines came out crisp and clean. Yay.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second.
As much as I like what I've done so far, it's a little bit too much. And I want to do just a little bit more. Let's deepen and darken it a bit. We're going to pull out our DIY brown wax and we're going to use it as a stain. On raw wood, it will soak right in. So, ladies, think of that. You buy brown wax to do accents, you can also use it to stain. That's a bonus. You want your wood to be darker, go ahead and let it set for a little bit. That's not the look I'm going for, so I'm going to wipe mine back right away.
Trying to keep my focus right.
Check it out. Look how pretty that is. And it's instant. You don't have to wait for traditional stains to dry and all that fun stuff. You don't have to seal it either. This is wax, which is a top coat in itself.
You came my way, don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days.
Okay, so we're gonna mix our brown wax with just a little bit of clear wax and go ahead and put it on. Then we're gonna wipe it back. Okay, so the brown wax did its job. It darkened up that paint, but it looks a little muddy. So let's go back in with just clear wax and give it a good scrub. Your clear wax acts as an eraser, so it's going to take off majority of that brown wax and leave us with a much prettier, smoother finish.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one.
So that's a pretty dramatic change. You can see where the wax is applied and where it's not.
That you came my way, don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while.
Really like the original hardware. I gave it a good clean, sanded it a bit, and sprayed it with some gold spray paint. So that is how I use wax as a stain. I hope you enjoyed this video. What do you think of this piece? Make sure you tell me in the comments below. If you're interested in any of these products, you can find them on my website at windmillvintagesigns.com. I'll put the link in the comments below. You guys are awesome. And don't forget, only you can make it happen. I'll see you next time.